Hi, I'm Ricky Middleton, service writer at Jack Burford Chevrolet. With the winter in the rearview mirror, now's the time to get your vehicle ready for spring. If you've thought about replacing your worn tires, spring is the perfect time to do so. Get a $100 mail-in rebate when purchasing 4 new select brand name tires from Jack Burford Chevrolet. Or get a $200 mail-in rebate when using your GM Buy-Power card. And speaking of tires, receive a $10 mail-in rebate on the purchase and installation of any GM original equipment tire pressure monitoring system. Or get a $20 mail-in rebate when using your GM Buy-Power card. With spring break and summer vacation just ahead, now's the time to visit Jack Burford Chevrolet for a Coolant System service. For only $89.95, our service professionals will inspect all hoses, flush out the old coolant, and refill with up to 2 gallons of fresh coolant. And don't forget to ask about the Jack Burford Chevrolet Service Package Special. We will replace your front wiper blades, test your battery, drain and refill your system coolant, and inspect all belts and hoses. For a complete listing of all Jack Burford Chevrolet service specials, visit jackburford.com and click on Specials. The Jack Burford Chevrolet Service Department is open Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 5:30 and 8 to 2 on Saturday. Schedule your service appointment by calling 623-3350, contact your service advisor, or visit jackburford.com. We thank you for your business and look forward to serving you in the future. Safe travels from friends at Jack Burford Chevrolet.